Hey y'all, and welcome back to YOLO Texas. Alright, just downtown of San Antonio is an innovative burger joint sure to make your mouth water. Oh yeah, Burgerteca is the brainchild of Johnny Hernandez and one of several restaurants run by the acclaimed local chef. Both Fruteria and Burgerteca have merged to offer curbside and takeout orders during this time of self-shelter, so bring your appetites because we are going behind the scenes and taking an inside look of the home of all the burgers, the paletas, and mangonadas you could dream of.
Deep in the heart of the Alamo City is a dining experience built around America's most widely consumed food item, the hamburger. Which brings us to the Blue Star Arts Complex, where we're actually checking out the latest offerings from renowned Texas chef Johnny Hernandez here at Burgerteca. So excited! Burgerteca transforms the classic hamburger and showcases Mexico's diverse flavors by using indigenous ingredients and distinct cooking styles. So to learn more about the restaurant, we sat down with Chef Johnny Hernandez.
It all started around creating a nieveria, right? Paletas, nieves, raspas. The whole idea around Burgerteca started as a passion for that. You know, what better to serve with nieves and paletas than hamburgers? And since our signature is Mexican food, I'm like, let's have fun creatively and make these Mexico-inspired burgers.
Very cool. So what is the tie-in? Because you think American burgers, right? But you don't think ice cream parlor. So how did you make those two connections?
As burgers have become part of a growing trend, they are complementing a burger with a shake or a burger with a custard, and we wanted, the San Antonio version of that. So what we're doing is very unique because of that creative approach to burgers that we've taken.
So I like your style, and if you don't mind, maybe we could go in the kitchen and take a bite.
All right, let's do it.
This is our signature bun. This is what makes it all come together.
Whenever I'm looking at a menu, the toughest decision I'm making is a burger or the tacos. And you just put it right here for me.
The seasoning of the al pastor is what brings it all together.
So much flavor in one burger, and that was heaven in one bite.
I'm not sure if you ever had a crispy dog. Crispy dogs are very San Antonio.
You said crispy dog, and it brought me back to Mija Aerin. Whenever I went to Grandma's house, I went to Abuela's house, and she made me crispy dogs.
We went overboard. It's pretty intense.
Sorry, Grandma. It's much better.
We make all our syrups in-house. We make our chamoy. So that is our coconada.
My heart is so happy right now. So if you're in the mood for great food made with style and flavor, Burgerteca and Chef Johnny Hernandez definitely got you covered. For more information about Burgerteca's curbside and takeout menu, visit the link below.